the 10 best powerful baking soda hacks for your body and health. Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, is a simple white powder that most of us have in our kitchen cupboards. It's often used in baking to make dough rise, but its benefits go way beyond the kitchen. This humble ingredient may be a powerhouse for your health and personal care, providing an array of uses that might surprise you, from soothing stomach aches to enhancing personal hygiene and even improving dental health. Baking soda is incredibly versatile. In today's video, we'll talk about 10 fantastic ways you can use baking soda to boost your health and take care of your body in a natural, cost-effective way. These hacks are simple to implement and may often be done with just a few household ingredients, making them accessible to everyone. Also, we want to clarify that baking soda may become harmful if you are not cautious enough. Watch till the end to find out more. Let's get started. 1. Natural deodorant. Baking soda works effectively as a natural deodorant because it addresses the root cause of body odor rather than merely masking it. Firstly, baking soda is alkaline, which means it may effectively neutralize the acidic components of sweat. Sweat itself is odorless, but when it mixes with the bacteria on our skin, it produces a foul smell. By raising the pH level of the skin, baking soda may create an environment that is less favorable for these bacteria to thrive, thereby reducing body odor. Moreover, baking soda has excellent moisture-absorbing properties. When applied to the underarms, it acts like a sponge, soaking up sweat. This is crucial because moisture on the skin may increase the intensity of body odor, as it may provide a breeding ground for bacteria. By keeping the skin dry, baking soda may minimize the conditions that help odor-causing bacteria flourish. To use baking soda as a deodorant, you may simply mix a small amount, about a quarter teaspoon, with enough water to form a paste. Apply this paste gently to the underarms and allow it to dry. For those with sensitive skin, diluting the baking soda with more water or combining it with a soothing ingredient like coconut oil may be beneficial. 2. Heartburn relief. Did you know that there is a case study that features a 50-year-old man who consumed sodium bicarbonate to neutralize stomach acid, and it worked? The primary reason baking soda may work so well for heartburn is its basic composition, which may allow it to neutralize hydrochloric acid in the stomach. When baking soda, sodium bicarbonate, comes into contact with stomach acid, hydrochloric acid, it reacts to form sodium chloride, salt, water, and carbon dioxide. This reaction may increase the pH balance in the stomach, making the environment less acidic. By neutralizing these acids, the painful burning sensation that accompanies heartburn is alleviated. Moreover, the carbon dioxide released during the reaction with stomach acids promotes burping. This expulsion of gas may provide immediate relief by reducing the pressure in the stomach. This pressure is often a contributor to the reflux symptoms, as it may force stomach contents back up into the esophagus. To use baking soda for heartburn relief, dissolve 1 teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of cold water and drink the solution slowly to allow it to neutralize stomach acid without causing gas and bloating quickly. It's important to measure the baking soda carefully. Using too much may cause diarrhea or an increase in stomach gas. 3. Enhanced oral health. One of the primary benefits of baking soda is its alkalinity, which is essential in neutralizing the acidic environment in your mouth that may lead to tooth decay. Foods and beverages often leave behind acids that may erode tooth enamel, leading to cavities. When you brush with baking soda, it neutralizes those acids, protecting the enamel from decay. This process may not only help prevent cavities but also maintain the overall health of your teeth and gums. Furthermore, baking soda may help combat bad breath. Food particles and bacteria in the mouth are frequent causes of bad breath. Baking soda may neutralize foul odors and provide a clean, fresh feeling. This is because it not only deals with the symptoms of bad breath, but also attacks the cause by reducing acidity and inhibiting the growth of bacteria that may cause odors. Studies have shown that baking soda mouthwash may help inhibit the growth of some bacteria in the mouth and prevent any buildup of dental plaque, which may contribute to a healthier oral environment during the healing process. For a more thorough clean, you may make homemade toothpaste by mixing baking soda with a small amount of hydrogen peroxide to create a paste. This combination enhances the antibacterial action and aids in further whitening the teeth. 4. Skin exfoliant. Baking soda works as a skin exfoliant due to its unique properties that make it effective in cleansing and rejuvenating the skin. This inexpensive and accessible household item has gained popularity in the beauty world for its gentle yet effective exfoliating capabilities. The first major benefit of using baking soda as a skin exfoliant is its granular texture. The fine particles of baking soda are abrasive enough to remove dead skin cells from the surface without causing undue irritation. This gentle abrasion may help to clear away the layer of dead skin cells that may make the skin look dull and can lead to clogged pores. By removing these cells, baking soda may help reveal the fresher, younger skin beneath and may improve the overall texture and appearance of your skin. Moreover, baking soda's ability to neutralize acids may maintain a healthy pH level on the skin's surface, which is important for protecting the skin against bacteria and other contaminants that can lead to breakouts and irritation. In a study, researchers found that concentrations of 10 grams per liter of sodium bicarbonate inhibited 56 different fungal strains responsible for skin and nail infections. To use baking soda as a skin exfoliant, you may make a simple paste by mixing 3 parts baking soda with 1 part water. Apply the paste in a gentle circular motion to your face or body, avoiding any areas with open wounds or severe acne, as the granules could irritate sensitive spots. After gently massaging the skin with the paste for a couple of minutes, rinse it off with warm water and pat your skin dry with a soft towel. This process may be done once or twice a week, depending on your skin's sensitivity and needs. 5. Sunburn Remedy. Baking soda is a remarkably effective remedy for soothing sunburn due to its cooling effect. When baking soda is dissolved in water and applied to a sunburn, it may draw heat away from the skin, which can significantly reduce the heat sensation of a burn. This cooling property may provide immediate topical relief from the discomfort of sunburn, making it easier to manage the pain. To use baking soda as a remedy for sunburn, you may prepare a cool compress. Dissolve 1 to 2 tablespoons of baking soda in a liter of water, soak a clean cloth in this mixture, and gently apply it to the affected areas. Use this treatment once daily as needed until the sunburn heals. 6. Foot soak and exfoliator. Baking soda serves as an excellent foot soak and exfoliator due to its chemical properties, its ability to neutralize odors, and its gentle abrasive texture. These factors may combine to make baking soda an ideal solution for foot care, helping to keep feet clean, odor-free, and smooth. Baking soda's alkaline nature may play a critical role in maintaining the pH balance of the skin on your feet. Our feet often endure a lot of wear and tear, which may lead to an increase in sweat and, subsequently, a breeding ground for bacteria. Bacteria thrive in more acidic environments, which may lead to foot odor. Baking soda neutralizes these acidic conditions, creating a hostile environment for bacteria, thus reducing foot odor. Additionally, this balancing of pH levels may help prevent fungal infections like athlete's foot, which also prefers an acidic environment. To use baking soda as a foot soak and exfoliator, you may add about 3 tablespoons of baking soda to a basin of warm water. Stir it until the baking soda is fully dissolved. Soak your feet for about 15 to 20 minutes. After soaking, you may further exfoliate by making a paste of baking soda and water and gently scrubbing your feet, focusing on rough and calloused areas. Rinse your feet after scrubbing and dry them thoroughly. Apply a moisturizer to keep the skin hydrated. 7. Relieve itchy skin and insect bites. The anti-inflammatory properties of baking soda may help to reduce the swelling and redness associated with insect bites and other itchy skin conditions. When applied to the skin, baking soda may draw out and neutralize the irritants and toxins that are causing inflammation. This reduction in inflammation not only alleviates the visual symptoms, but also reduces the sensation of itchiness. The cooling effect of a baking soda paste may provide immediate, soothing relief, making it less likely for someone to scratch the affected area, which may worsen the irritation or lead to infection. Apart from that, baking soda serves as a mild antiseptic, which may prevent secondary infections caused by scratching itchy bites or irritated skin. Its antiseptic properties may help to kill bacteria or fungi that may try to invade broken skin, which is common if the itchy area is scratched open. Preventing infection is crucial, as it may help the skin heal faster and reduce the risk of more severe complications or prolonged discomfort. The National Eczema Association recommends adding a quarter cup of baking soda to a warm, not hot bath and soaking for 10 to 15 minutes if you are dealing with eczema. Following this, moisturizing the skin after gentle drying is advisable to mitigate any risk. To use baking soda for itchy skin and insect bites, create a paste by mixing 3 parts baking soda with 1 part water. Apply this paste directly to the affected areas. Let it dry and leave it on the skin for about 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing off with cool water. This application may be repeated several times a day, as needed, until the itching subsides. 8. Natural hand cleanser. Baking soda serves as an effective natural hand cleanser due to its abrasive properties, chemical characteristics that neutralize odors, and its gentle cleansing action that does not strip away natural oils. The abrasive texture of baking soda aids in physically scrubbing away dirt, grease, and grime from the skin. When mixed with water and applied to the hands, the fine granules of baking soda act as a gentle scrub. This mechanical action helps dislodge and remove impurities that soap and water alone might not tackle, making it particularly useful for deep cleaning after activities like gardening, cooking, or mechanical work. Furthermore, baking soda is renowned for its ability to neutralize odors. This quality is particularly beneficial for hand cleansing, especially after handling pungent substances such as garlic, onions, or fish. The alkaline nature of baking soda interacts with the acids that are typically responsible for bad smells, effectively neutralizing these odorous compounds. To use baking soda as a natural hand cleanser, you can mix about 2 to 3 tablespoons of baking soda with enough water to create a paste. Rub this mixture thoroughly across all parts of your hands, scrubbing gently. This paste can be used to scrub under the nails, where dirt often accumulates. Rinse your hands with warm water after scrubbing. 9. Detox Bath. Baking soda is a popular choice for a detox bath because of its natural properties that may enhance skin health, neutralize acids, and promote relaxation. When incorporated into bathwater, baking soda may help achieve a deeper cleanse and a more rejuvenating bathing experience. The first key benefit of using baking soda in a detox bath is its ability to neutralize acid in the body and on the skin. Our skin and body may accumulate acidity due to diet, stress, and environmental pollutants, leading to a feeling of sluggishness and overall fatigue. Baking soda, being a natural alkaline substance, may help balance the body's pH level when dissolved in bathwater. This neutralization process may help reduce acidity-related symptoms and restore a sense of balance and well-being. Furthermore, a baking soda detox bath may promote relaxation and reduce physical discomfort. The soothing properties of a warm bath combined with baking soda may help relax tense muscles and joints. For those suffering from conditions like arthritis or muscle soreness, the anti-inflammatory properties of baking soda may help alleviate symptoms by soothing inflamed tissues and promoting blood circulation. To use baking soda as a detox bath, simply add about 1 to 2 cups of baking soda to a full bathtub of warm water. Stir the water well to ensure the baking soda is fully dissolved. Soak in the tub for about 20 to 30 minutes. This may allow enough time for the baking soda to work its magic, neutralizing acids, drawing out impurities, and soothing the skin and muscles. After the bath, rinse off with clean water to remove any residual baking soda on the skin. Pat dry with a towel and apply a moisturizer to help lock in hydration. For an enhanced detox experience, this bath may be complemented with Epsom salt, which provides additional benefits such as magnesium, known for aiding muscle relaxation and sleep improvement. 10. Teeth whitener. The abrasive quality of baking soda is gentle yet effective in removing surface stains from teeth. This occurs because the small, granular particles of baking soda may scrub away the buildup of plaque and stains caused by foods, drinks, and smoking without harming the tooth enamel. This abrasive action may help to polish the teeth, restoring their natural whiteness by physically removing the stains that cause discoloration. Furthermore, baking soda may interact chemically with stain molecules to break them down. This is particularly effective against stains from substances like coffee, tea, and nicotine. The chemical reaction between baking soda and the stains may help to loosen these molecules from the enamel, making them easier to scrub away during brushing. In a study, when baking soda toothpaste was used just once, it significantly reduced plaque formation and showed moderate improvements in gingival bleeding indices. This suggests that using baking soda as part of your daily oral care routine may be beneficial. To use baking soda as a teeth whitener, you may simply sprinkle a small amount of baking soda on your wet toothbrush and brush your teeth as you normally would. After brushing with baking soda, rinse your mouth thoroughly with water to remove any residual baking soda. This method may help to remove stains and whiten teeth. Now, let's discuss the potential downsides of baking soda. While baking soda is widely praised for its versatility and effectiveness in many home remedies, it also has potential downsides when not used correctly or when used excessively. 1. Skin irritation. Baking soda has a high pH, making it a strong alkaline substance. While this property is beneficial for neutralizing acids, it may also disrupt the natural pH balance of the skin, which typically leans toward mild acidic. Overuse of baking soda on the skin, especially in individuals with sensitive skin, may lead to dryness, irritation, and even dermatitis. The disruption of the skin's acid mantle, which protects against bacterial and fungal infections, may make the skin more vulnerable to such issues. 2. Dental abrasion. Although baking soda is a popular natural tooth whitener due to its mild abrasive properties, excessive use may be harmful to tooth enamel. When used too frequently or scrubbed too vigorously, the abrasive nature of baking soda may wear down enamel, the protective outer layer of the teeth. This erosion may lead to increased tooth sensitivity and make teeth more susceptible to cavities and decay. 3. Gastrointestinal issues. Baking soda is often used as a home remedy for acid reflux or heartburn because it may neutralize stomach acid. However, consuming it in large amounts may lead to serious electrolyte and acid-base imbalances in the body. This may result in conditions like metabolic alkalosis, where the body becomes too alkaline. Symptoms of this condition include stomach cramps, diarrhea, increased thirst and urination, and muscle weakness. 4. Increased sodium intake. Baking soda is essentially sodium bicarbonate, which means it contains a significant amount of sodium. People on a sodium-restricted diet, due to conditions like hypertension, high blood pressure, or heart disease, should be cautious about using baking soda, particularly for heartburn relief or as an oral rinse. Excessive consumption may lead to an increase in blood pressure or exacerbate heart conditions. To minimize these risks, it's important to use baking soda in moderation and as directed. Each of the earlier mentioned hacks leverages the natural properties of baking soda to enhance your health and hygiene in a safe and cost-effective way. Always consult with healthcare providers before starting any new treatment involving baking soda, especially if there are existing health concerns. Well, viewers, today we learned about some amazing baking soda hacks for our body and health. But there are always other signs your body signals when it's in danger. From signs of vitamin E deficiency to signs your farts are smelling deadly. Want to find out more? Watch 9 alarming signs your body is missing vitamin E. Or watch 10 alarming reasons why your farts are smelling deadly. You may watch either or both of them. Will you be using baking soda often from now on? Tell us in the comment section.